Do you want to know how you can log into your Krow.ai account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Krow.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser in PC and go to the Google search bar to search for Krow.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of Krow.ai. You can see that you can log in using your email address. So go ahead and write down your email address over here, click next and write down your password. After you write down your password, click login. This way you can successfully log into your Krow.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime you want by clicking on this eye icon. And if you have forgotten your password, go ahead and click Forgot Password, which is over here. Write down your email address, click Reset Password, and then an email will be sent to your mail by Krow.ai where you can reset your password quite easily. This was a video on how you can log into your Krow.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.